Looking for a security camera that works both indoors and outdoors? The WYZE Cam V4 records video in 2.5K resolution and can be used for home security, baby monitoring, or keeping an eye on pets. It features vibrant color night vision that helps capture details even in low light conditions. AI-powered detection assists with activity monitoring, while the weather-resistant design supports outdoor installation. The latest version works without a required subscription and also includes access to free expert support. The link in the description leads to the Amazon store.